How to form a foundation chain. How to do a single crochet. How to do the double crochet. Yarn over, 2 chains, 1, 2, insert yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, double crochet. Do it again, yarn over once, insert the hook to the next chain, 2, 2 together, yarn over once, insert the hook into the next chain, 2 together, and next 2 together. This is double crochet. Next we will do half double crochet. Yarn over once, insert the hook into the next chain, and there are 3 loops. Slip stitch 3 loops together. Yarn over once, 3 loops on the hook, 3 loops together, yarn over once, 3 loops together, let's see how to do triple crochet. Yarn over twice, 1, 2, insert the hook into the chain, and first 2 loops together, next 2 loops together, and last 2 loops together. 3. Yarn over twice, 2 loops together once, 2 loops together twice, 2 loops together third time. This is triple crochet. Again, yarn over twice, 2 loops together, 2 loops together, and 2 loops together again 3 times. This is what we call triple crochet. Now we see how to do a puff stitch. Yarn over once, insert the hook into the next chain, don't finish, again into the same hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, again, and you can do any number of chains here. Again, more you get the more puffer stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, don't finish, 4 loops together, chain 1, puff stitch. There's another stitch called half double crochet puff stitch. 1, 2, 3. It's yarn over once, insert the hook into any chain here, and 2 loops, don't finish, and again insert the hook, 2, 3 loops, four loops together, slip stitch, and finish the. This is called double crochet puff stitch. Again, I'll show you how to do that. Only once, don't finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.